Good automated manufacturing practice, Wikipedia Audio. Good automated manufacturing practice is both a technical subcommittee of the International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering and a set of guidelines for manufacturers and users of automated systems in the pharmaceutical industry. More specifically, the ISPE's guide, the Good Automated Manufacturing Practice Guide for Validation of Automated Systems in Pharmaceutical Manufacture, describes a set of principles and procedures that help ensure that pharmaceutical products have the required quality. One of the core principles of GAMP is that quality cannot be tested into a batch of product but must be built into each stage of the manufacturing process. As a result, GAMP covers all aspects of production, from the raw materials, facility, and equipment to the training and hygiene of staff. Standard operating procedures are essential for processes that can affect the quality of the finished product. A group of pharmaceutical professionals have banded together to create the GAMP Forum, which is now a technical subcommittee, known as the GAMP COP of the International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering. The goal of the community is to promote the understanding of the regulation and use of automated systems within the pharmaceutical industry. The GAMP COP organizes discussion forums for its members. ISPE organizes GAMP-related training courses and educational seminars. Several local GAMP COPs, such as GAMP Americas, GAMP Nordic, GAMP DOC, GAMP Francophone, GAMP Italiano, GAMP Benelux and GAMP Japan, bring the GAMP community closer to its members in collaboration with ISPE's local affiliates in these regions. ISPE has published a series of good practice guides for the industry on several topics involved in drug manufacturing. The most well-known is the Good Automated Manufacturing Practice Guide for Validation of Automated Systems in Pharmaceutical Manufacture. The last major revision was released in February 2008. GAMP Guidance. Other publications in the GAMP series include: GAMP itself was founded in 1991 in the United Kingdom to deal with the evolving U.S. Food and Drug Administration expectations for good manufacturing practice compliance of manufacturing and related systems. GAMP published its first guidance in 1994. Soon afterwards, the organization entered into a partnership with ISPE, formally becoming part of ISPE in 2000. GAMP has enjoyed the support of numerous regulatory authorities over the years spanning the United States, Europe, and Japan, and is now a recognized good practice worldwide. GAMP Good Practice Guide, a risk-based approach to compliant GXP computerized systems. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Calibration Management. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Electronic Data Archiving. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Global Information Systems Control and Compliance. GAMP Good Practice Guide, IT Infrastructure Control and Compliance. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Testing of GXP Systems. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Validation of Laboratory Computerized Systems. GAMP Good Practice Guide, Validation of Process Control Systems. History.